Hi, I'm Jekka McVicar. I run a small herb nursery in South Gloucester. Today I'm going to be talking about sharpening your tools. Now, if you were a chef or if you have a kitchen, I am sure that you sharpen your knives regularly and you're cutting up dead lettuce, dead food. And gardeners very rarely remember to sharpen their secateurs, and they are actually cutting into live plants. So it's very simple. First of all, you start by cleaning. This is a cremate and it's made from volcanic waste, sort of like a pumice. You wet it, and if you take a look at these secateurs, you'll see they're absolutely filthy. They're not mine. I'm sure he's watching. And you watch this, it's magic stuff. You have to clean this off because this can harbour disease and it's come from another plant. And you just might transfer disease from plant to plant. If it was a knife, you'd just wash it in soap and water. Turn it over. You can see how dirty the blade is. Clean away. And also clean that bit in where the actual sap gets down into the middle. There we go. Once you've cleaned it, dry it off. Look at that. Isn't that smart? Now, next thing I will use is this is camellia oil. And you'll find this very useful because you need the tiniest bit. You just put a dib and a dib, like that. Use your finger and rub it in all round so that all the surfaces are covered. This helps when you come to cleaning again, and it also stops it getting rusty. Work it into the system and then dry it off, because you don't want to put masses on, because if you do, all the gunge when you're cutting will land up in the mechanism. Right, having got it beautifully clean, the next thing I'm going to do is sharpen it. There are two methods of sharpening. A whetstone, which you have to keep in water for at least 10 minutes before you use it, or a diamond. This is a diamond sharpener. It's smooth one side. Don't know if you can see that, nice and smooth, and it's rough the other side. You only use the rough side if you've actually made a gouge in it, in the blade. With secateurs like this, you only sharpen this blade. Using the smooth side, I use always towards my heart so I can actually play a violin. Very simply. Just a few times, and you can see the blades coming back. No pressure. Try to keep it as flat as possible. Put it over onto the back and then go away from yourself a couple of times just in case you got a burr. And that is deliciously sharp and now clean and ready to use.